This delicious Italian-style sautéed bean medley takes just 20 minutes to prepare and serves 4 hungry mouths. Imagine tender mixed beans melded with fragrant garlic, aromatic herbs, and a touch of olive oil, creating a hearty, flavorful dish that'll remind you of Italy with every bite. Perfect as a satisfying main or a vibrant side, this recipe is bursting with authentic flavors and colorful ingredients. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this wholesome, savory delight. It's truly irresistible. Let's now check the ingredients. 1 cup mixed beans, cannellini, borlotti, chickpeas. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 small onion, chopped. 1 teaspoon dried rosemary. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. Salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Fresh parsley, chopped for garnish. Optional: cherry tomatoes or red chili flakes for added flavor. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe by gathering all ingredients and rinsing the mixed beans thoroughly. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté until translucent, about 3 to 4 minutes. Stir in the minced garlic and cook for another 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the rinsed beans to the skillet, stirring to combine with the garlic and onion. Sprinkle in the dried rosemary and thyme, then season with salt and black pepper to taste. Continue sautéing the mixture, stirring occasionally, for about 10 minutes until beans are heated through and flavors meld. If desired, add cherry tomatoes or red chili flakes for extra flavor and cook for an additional 2 minutes. Remove from heat, garnish with freshly chopped parsley, and serve hot. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Buon appetito!